Hello, I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates rose for the first time in 3 trading days after lackluster interest in the government's offering of $21 billion in U.S. 10-year Treasury IOUs. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.5% with 2 3/4 points, up 1/4 of a point from Tuesday, for an extra cost of $250 on a $100,000 loan. The 4.875% rate is now at 3/4 of 1 point, up 1/8 of a point from Tuesday. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was up 1/8 of a point, with the 4% rate at 2 3/8 points, and the 4 1/4% rate rose to 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have real-time information on changes in rates and points throughout each business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when rates are going up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage professional by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company has executed an emergency rate change. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. As mentioned, the U.S. 10-year Treasury note auction garnered below average demand from domestic and overseas investors, including foreign central banks. Today, the government will try again with a $13 billion offering of U.S. 30-year long bonds. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here later today for my next free mortgage rate update.